I just wanted to come online and say, first of all, Happy New Year. Hope you had a lovely festive period. So as January comes, most people know it's the time for New Year's resolutions. Have you made any? How long are they going to last? But yeah, 4YaParty have had a few goals and some New Year's resolutions as well. And I just wanted to come on and show you one of them. We've had a little bit of an upgrade, updated our website, updated our wedding brochures. We've even updated our branding just a tiny bit. I mean, if you know 4YaParty, then you may be able to notice it, but it is the tiniest of differences. But yeah, just a little bit of a spruce, new year, new me. But yeah, I wanted to come on and show you our new wedding brochure. So it's all fab, and you know what, I've used loads of the pictures from my wedding day in there. Yeah, so here is our wedding brochure. We have upgraded it. We have added a contents page, so if you want to go straight to what you want, you can. Added some pictures of some important people. It's me, I'm the important person. And yeah, so we've added a lot of things that weren't in there from before, even though we've had it. Just making sure that it's full of all the beautiful gorgeousness that we have available for your big day. We've upgraded our packages. We've made sure that everything that you need for your tablescape, ceremony decor, reception decor, everything is in there. We've also added a new page called furniture, if I can get to it. Yes, we've added all of our furniture in there because that's something that we can provide now. We provide our furniture with My Furniture Hire, and also we have a few small pieces ourselves as well, so you'll be able to check that out. We have also added our ceiling decor, sweet treats, and everything. And right at the back of our wedding brochure, we have now added our favourite wedding venues. We get a lot of people who ask for our brochure and they've not even found their venue yet. And I tell you, go to my website, there's loads of people, venues on there that we're recommended suppliers at that we just absolutely adore. But now I've put them right inside the brochure, so there's no way they can miss them. And then, yeah, we've updated our centrepiece lookbook as well. Now, this is a big change for us. Usually it had just pictures of all the centerpieces that we've done before. But I often get people messaging me, asking me, can you do this? Can you add this to that? Can you change that? Can we flip that over? They just want to personalise it, which makes perfect sense, right? You want your wedding centrepiece to look the way you want it for your big day. So we've added a build your own centrepiece section, which shows all of our props, all of our centerpieces individually by themselves with no styling, so that you can pick and choose, a bit like a sweet treat mix. Is that what I'm thinking? No, pick a mix. That's what I'm thinking. Pick a mix for your centerpiece, and it's literally got everything. It's got all of our centerpieces, all of our tea lights, all of our candlesticks. It's got all of our table number holders. It's got all of our table numbers. It's got everything. It's got everything. It has expanded by an extra 5 pages, but don't worry, we compressed it so it downloads real quick. But yeah, it's got everything in there, and it's perfect for those people who just want to make their centerpiece theirs. So it's not just a pick and choose, it's a pick and mix and make it how you want it. So if you're getting married in South London or Kent and you're looking for beautiful wedding decor that is sustainable and guilt-free, then you know to hook up with me at 4YaParty. That's 4yaparty.co.uk, and you can email me at info@4yaparty.co.uk, at 4YaParty on all social media. And yeah, get a copy of our new wedding brochure, which looks amazing. And can I just please remind you that you don't need to print this. It looks way better on the computer, on the screen. Get a laptop, get a computer, put it on your TV if you can screen share, but it looks way better on a screen. Please don't print it. You don't need to print it. It's not needed. But yeah, get this gorgeousness into your inbox today. Contact me. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, because then you can see all my beautiful weddings from before. Bye.